Dovrebbe essere anche perché...
Certo, but actually you have to be careful when you study this. Study it with a declamation a tempo, and just manage to be a tempo on the beats. Everything else has to arrange itself around those beats. Don't waste too much time around consonants that make you waste time and that you, because it's really important that you are in the tempo more than everything else. And if you do the volume handle trick, ne voglio la parola, oh signori, mi piace canzonarvi. You have to be on the beats in the tempo with the volume of the voice, because you have to contribute to a bigger picture, to a bigger drawing. Okay? Okay. In fact, let's. Okay? Volume on the beats. Everything else goes with. Lasciamola cantare da sì, invece questa volta stai tra il 3 a 3 and you are late on the beat. It means also you are making an effort to pronounce all of the vowels, but in fact, in these tempi, when you have to prioritize the strong vowels on the beats that are longer, in this case, everything else is almost a schwa. You make a draft of the vowel, you don't sing the full vowel. If you had to say, you would for sure be out of the tempo. Okay. Okay. If you hear it in slow motion, I am in fact saying presso.